Hey, I'm Steve, and I just got in the snorkeling mask from BeDee, and we're going to take a look at that today. And on the box, we got advanced respiratory system, 180-degree panoramic view, anti-leak, and anti-fog. So cool, let's get into this. When you open the box, this is what the contents will look like. Everything's in a nice, neat little mesh carrying bag. I do like the little mesh bag for carrying a wet snorkel after I'm through. Here are all the contents when you open it up. All right, let me see if I can just give you a look at this product. It's very cool looking. I'm looking forward to getting it in the water and testing it, but I want you to be able to see the product and what you're getting if you're interested in purchasing one of these. Now this head strap looks and feels very comfortable. Everything that I'm seeing right now looks to be high quality. Of course, it comes with a film over there with some instructions and tips. You'll want to peel that off. But this thing is neat. This is a size, I believe it is an extra large for my big head. Let me also state that on the sticker on the mask, it says this is for surface snorkeling only, not for diving. So they want to make that clear. This is the snorkel tube, and it has the floating ball inside. Included also is an O-ring for the snorkel, a couple of earplugs to keep the water out of your ears, and also a action camera mount. Possibly the biggest reason for buying a snorkel mask like this one has separate air channels. You breathe in and it goes through one channel, and your CO2 that you breathe out goes out another channel. So that is a huge, great feature. One of my favorite features on this mask is the ability to mount my GoPro. That's a great idea right there, and man, can you imagine some of the footage you can capture with that? Okay folks, that is the unboxing video for this BeDee full face snorkeling mask. My initial impressions are very positive. I think it's got very cool features, and my next step will be to take it out and do some snorkeling. So if you're interested in this product, I hope you found this video helpful.